Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to fix sticky PS5 joysticks. A sticky joystick can really impact your gameplay, making precise movements difficult and frustrating. We'll start with some straightforward, easier-to-do cleaning techniques that often resolve the problem quickly. Then, for those more stubborn cases, we'll delve into slightly more involved solutions that can get your controller feeling brand new again. Let's get your gaming back on track. First, let's try some external cleaning. Grab a cotton swab and some isopropyl alcohol, ideally 99% pure. Lightly dampen the swab and carefully clean around the base of the sticky joystick, where it meets the controller body. As you clean, gently rotate the stick in a full circle to ensure you reach all the hidden grime. A quick blast of compressed air can also help remove any loose dust or crumbs that might be causing the stickiness. This often solves the issue without needing to open anything up. If external cleaning doesn't quite do the trick, we can go a little deeper without full disassembly. Carefully use a small, thin plastic pry tool or even a guitar pick to gently lift the joystick cap straight up. Once the cap is off, you'll have better access to the internal mechanism. Use another cotton swab with isopropyl alcohol to clean the exposed areas thoroughly. Make sure to remove any visible debris or residue. When you're done, simply press the joystick cap back down firmly until it clicks into place. This often resolves issues caused by debris under the cap. For persistent stickiness or drift, you might need to consider advanced steps. Sometimes, recalibrating your controller through the console settings can resolve minor issues. If you're comfortable, a tiny amount of electronic contact cleaner, specifically designed for potentiometers, can be carefully applied to the joystick's internal sensor. Use it sparingly, just 1 or 2 small sprays. However, if the problem continues after these steps, it might indicate a worn-out component. In such cases, professional repair or considering a new controller might be the best long-term solution for optimal gaming performance.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.